Hi, are you thirsty? Because I am. Oh, yeah. Oh, so thirsty. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel! Hi, how are you? So if you can't tell, the moment has come finally for me to review, yes, a Jeffree Star product. But before we get started, you might have noticed a change. Yes, I have got my hair cut. I was supposed to be growing it, but I just couldn't cope any longer with the bush. So yeah, I got it cut. I'm kinda digging it. I'm still trying to figure out how to style it and stuff. But I think I'm quite liking this. Next up, a perm. So if you don't know me, well, not many people know this anyway, like my friends and stuff, but I've been watching Jeffree Star for a good while. I used to like one of his songs. Was it, I don't know if it was Beauty Killer.
If I can't be beautiful, I'd rather just die. Like, I'm a beauty killer.
Dun, 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 dun. I really liked that song. Kinda liked him before then, but not really. Like, I feel as though that was when, for me, like, he caught my eye a little bit, but I've always known of him-ish, because I am very old. Been holding out for absolute ages, buying a Jeffree Star product. I don't know why, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've just been waiting and waiting and waiting, and I haven't bought anything until I saw the Thirsty palette. So if you haven't seen the Thirsty palette, oh my god. When I saw it, I thought, this has got to be my first purchase of Jeffree Star. It's just got to be absolute full on, gotta be. So what did I do? I bought it. And this video was supposed to be like extravagant, like it was supposed to be absolutely amazing. I was supposed to have his merch, I was supposed to have a mirror, lipstick, all this lot. But you know, money, I'm a broke ass motherfucker, so I just ended up getting the palette. And also I got this top from Primark to match. It's supposed to be like an orangey yellow, but I feel as though it's picking up more yellow. So anyway, diving straight in, this is the Thirsty palette. So this is the uni carton that it comes in. It's a really nice like orangey metallic. We've got raindrops, the logo, and thirsty. On the back it's just got ingredients. And then here I have the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Same as the uni carton. And then here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? So this is the palette, guys. As you can see, it's got names. So we've got Parched, Taste Buds, Beach, Kumquat, Stroke, Divine, Filthy Rich, Lick, Snatched, Plunge, Subtle, yeah, Quench, Submerge, Splash, and Drizzle. So when I first saw this palette, it was literally the colours that like pulled me in. Like this row here especially, it's been pulling everyone in, and then the tops as well. And also the brand new formula for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's a brand new formula, like a hybrid, as he said. I've never tried any of the Jeffree Star shadows, I've never tried anything, so this is going to be pretty interesting. So I've been wanting to play with this for ages, like I've had it for about a week now, but I just haven't actually like played with it at all. I've already laid down my base, so I've seen like a couple of like, not necessarily, well, a little bit of reviews on this, not too many, and I've been like wanting to do some looks with it. So I'm thinking, because I always do this, I always tell you what I'm thinking to do before I even do it. I'm so weird. Anyway, so basically, obviously I've got to play with the colours. So in my head, I've been thinking of doing a halo eye. So basically, what I'm going to do to make this video a little bit more special is I'm going to do as many looks as I one, can be bothered to do, and two, as many as like say the palette will let me. So save like time and stuff, I'm gonna do one on this eye, one on that eye, and then I'll see, like I'll maybe do like, it'll be in this video, but I'll do another 2 looks possibly after that one. I'm just gonna prime my eyes and we'll dive straight in because I just can't be bothered to ramble anymore. Okay guys, so I brought you in a little bit closer, it's kind of scary. So I think I'm gonna go in with my original idea, which was like do a halo eye and a halo eye, like with the colours that I've planned to do, and then just go from there, because I've got like a couple of other eye looks in store. So yeah, let's just dive in and see what happens. So the first shade I think I'm gonna take is subtle or subtle. So just getting this on a brush, and there's literally no fallout at all. Well, there's a little bit, but not like a lot. I don't know how much is quite a lot. So I'm just gonna take that a little bit through here, just as like a little transition shade. So far, blending really nicely. So I'm just getting this transition shade put down, and then we'll go straight in. Okay, just taking a smallerish, like fluffier brush. Let me see if it fits. Yeah, I'm just gonna take, first of all, this shade, so Taste Buds, and just pressing that in, some on the brush. No fallout once again. And you've all seen me do a halo eye like a million times on this channel now, so I won't really talk you how I'm going through it, but nice pigmentation on this, because this is quite a lightish shade anyway. I'm just so excited to be using Jeffree Star eyeshadows, because we all know like that is like amazing. It's just amazing, I love him. So I'm just building this colour up. Next, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of Bitch with the same brush and just packing that in there as well. Oh shit, oh shit. That colour is sick. So from my lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking Splash first. I'm just going to go in with a smaller brush. Oh yeah, that's so much better. And then I'm just going to go in with Submerge. This shade's going to slay me. Oh my god. You ready? Oh my god. Holy. So there's a little bit of fallout here, like can you see that? Literally right next to my nose there's a teeny bit of dust. So now I'm going to be putting 2 shades here. So for the top part here, I'm going to be taking Filthy Rich. Oh my god guys, look at that. So he said the best way to apply this is with your fingers. Oh my god, are you seeing this? It's like a mixture of glitter and something else. And then because I can't actually fit a finger in there, that's what she said, I'm just taking some of Divine on this flat brush. Holy fucking shit balls. This is going to be hard. I don't know if you can see the bottom lash line, but bitch! And then to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Quench. Damn. This is the best palette ever. Jeffree, I fucking love you, bitch. And then I'm gonna take try and take a little bit of Divine on the brush, and I'm just gonna put that on top of it. Alright guys, so if you didn't know, this eye is my dodgy eye. Not like dodgy as in like cross-eyed, but like like I mean like dodgy as in it'll be messy until I clean it up, basically. I'm gonna be taking Taste Buds, kind of like as a transition shade. Now this won't show up like amazingly at first because it is such a pale shade, like it's just, I kind of feel as though that's the way it is because it is so pale. Like I will have to build this up a little bit. I will say one thing about this, I am like having to go in to get like some colour on the brush, but it's not like a negative as such. Okay, so with the same brush, oh, a little bit of fallout because I think I went a bit too ham just then. Same brush, I'm taking the shade Bitch. This is going to be like my crease colour. So I'm just taking a little bit of a more pointed brush and I'm just going to focus this in the crease a little bit more. Okay guys, next I'm taking the shade Subtle. This one's got a little bit of fallout on the pan, like when I press into it. Nothing major. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner of my eye and bring that like a little bit through the crease just to like smoke this out a little bit. Okay, so next I'm going into the shade Drizzle. Okay guys, underneath here is like, there's a bit of fallout, it's pretty glittery, but it's like nothing major. Obviously you could just do your base first, and I kind of had to really work into those couple of shades, but I think it literally, the concealer is dog shit, like absolute dog shit, because when I take this on my hand and like, I mean look at that, that's like absolutely phenomenal. So I definitely think it's the concealer that's doing it. So I'm just going to take the shade Stroke and then run it under my lash line, and then I'm taking a little bit of Subtle mixed with Drizzle. I'm just going to put that on the outer edge just so it like blends a little bit more, and then I'm just going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I've just tidied that up. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be going in with Quench, just for a pop of colour. And with Quench, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit here, so it blends in with that. With these colours, I would be careful because there is a little bit of fallout, same as there was on that side with the blue. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of Divine again, and I'm going to pop that over the top, and then mascara and lashes. Okay guys, so here's the finished looks. Kind of happy with them. That's my doing there. I kind of feel like it just looks a mess. Like, the palette is amazing. I'm going to create another look there, so I'm not going to like finish the video here. But yeah, so far I really like the palette. The formula is amazing. I really like the formula. Like hardly any fallout, well no fallout really on my part. The hybrid formula I kind of like, but I kind of do as well. It's like really sparkly, so I like that. Yeah, I think I like it. So yeah, on to the next ones. Alright guys, day 2 of the Jeffree Star palette. So I look a bit different, but oh well. Yesterday, I'm a bit tired and I liked the looks after like editing the video and stuff, so instead of boring your ear off today, in this video, I'm just gonna like do a couple of looks, but I'm gonna like make them fast so that you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll come back at the end and just give like my final verdict. So here we go. Alright guys, here's another 2 looks using the palette. I love this side, it's just really nice and like summery and out there. The yellow's amazing. This side, the blues I really like. It wasn't what I was going for, but I still like somewhat like it. I was going to put lashes on, but nah, it's sweat. I'm sweating in here, I'm so hot, and if them lashes come off my eye one more time, I swear to God I'm going to throw something out the fucking window. So yeah, I'm going to pop up here, do one more like look just to finish off the video, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I thought, what better way to go out than to do like well, I'd say soft glam, but this is like fucking hardcore glam. I thought, what better way to go out than to do like a nice glam eye like this. I'm not really used to working with colours, as well, I kind of am but these are so fucking bright and vivid. It freaks me out to work with colours like these because I never know like what to do, and I have so many ideas but then they all just fall apart, as you've seen. But I have really fucking enjoyed playing with this palette. It's been so good and I absolutely love it. It actually feels really weighty. So an overall review of this would be, it's worth the money, 100%. It's £45. I got this from Beauty Bay. For my first ever Jeffree Star product, it's super impressed me. I see why, not everyone, but I see why a lot of people love him. It feels heavy, it feels expensive, that's what he likes. The formulas in this are absolutely amazing. After doing this eye, I must say I really love these formulas. It's just a little bit too glittery for me, but you can just do your base before your eye before your base to avoid that. So it's not like a massive major issue, but I really do like that formula because I mean, look at the eye, it's just so nice and reflective. So for this eye that I've got here, I've done subtle as a transition. I went in with kumquat and stroke for crease and a little bit of definition, and then I went in with drizzle for like a defined look and obviously my outer corner. And then I took those two underneath, and then for my lid I went in with snatched. Yaga! Put a little bit of plunge in the middle just to give it a little bit of dimension. Oh god, I've got something in my eye. Plunge to give it a bit of a dimension, and then I went in with Divine on my inner corners, and I took a little bit of Filthy Rich just on the lower inner corners, and that's it. So yeah, this palette is absolutely sick. The blue, that blue Submerge is my favourite, as well as Quench, and I think Bitch is my favourite as well. I will be buying more of his stuff. That is absolutely amazing. I hope you've enjoyed my looks. It's been a 2-day experience creating them. I'm not like a professional makeup artist, you all know that, so if I've done something wrong or if they don't look amazing, I can only apologise, but I'm on here to learn myself as well as to express what I've learned and like have fun like on my days off my actual job. I absolutely, this is my favourite one out of all of them. This is my favourite one, hands down, 100%. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will catch you later.